So here's how to make ebook with AI. For this video, we will be using Dibly. So before we get started, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to sign up for Dibly for free. And as you can see, we're already in the Dibly website. Over here, let's go ahead and cancel this banner on the top. So click on this cross icon on the top right. And on the top, you will get to see all of these sections that you can check out. First, let's go ahead and check out their pricing. So they have free version as well as professional. You can check out the features that they offer. You can also see their plans by monthly or yearly. So now let's scroll up to the top and click on Login on the top. But if you don't have an account, just click on my link down in the description to sign up. So after logging in, you will get to this page over here. On the left panel, you will get to see this menu and all these other options. And on the main screen, you have the option to upgrade. Also, your tokens available, tokens used, and total active projects. On the right here, you have your folders and projects. So let's click on My Projects on the left panel. Then you have Shared with Me, after that folders, and then templates. So this is where you can choose any of the templates to start your work. For this video, we will go with ebook over here. So click on it, and after that, you will be redirected to this page. And over here, you will get to see the template text. And on the left, you have all of these chapters and sections for your ebook. If you click on Add Note, you can add a new note over here. So this is where you can start writing from scratch. Now, let's go over to the ebook section on the left panel and click on the three dots over here. You will get to see options like Pin Project, Rename, or Move Project. So click on Rename and replace the name with whatever name that you want to set for your ebook. As an example, I would type in something like F1 Cars ebook and click on Confirm. And as you can see on the left here, the name has been changed. Now, to start writing, click on this plus icon on the main screen. Here, you can select Keep, and then you have Styling. After that, you have the option to insert whatever you want from these options. You will go with Keep, and you will get the option to type in your prompt in order to start writing. You can also select from any of these options available. We will go with Write. So now, you need to type in your desired prompt. It could be about anything that you want to create your first book about. After that, Dibly will start generating your first ebook. For this video, I will type in something like create a title, outline, and book section for my F1 Cars ebook. This way, you can describe your ebook to Kip. And once you're done typing in your prompt, just click on this button over here. And as you can see, it now says generating. It will start generating right away. It is now putting in the outline and sections for my book. So you can click on Insert or try again if you wanted to do it again. So I will click on Insert. And now the generated content has been added to the note. So after that, you can go through and check out each of these sections. Now, let's go to the left panel and click on a certain section from the template. You can replace these texts according to your preference. Now, let's check out Introduction. It is currently empty, so we'll click on the plus icon and then click on Image Generation over here. After that, type in your image description, which you want to use for your introduction. As an example, I will type in Create a F1 car image. Now, just wait for the image to get generated. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient and wait it out. And as you can see, our image is now almost done. So here is the image that Dibly generated. Click on Insert to add it. After that, just wait for the image to get added onto your introduction section. And this looks pretty good. Now click on the plus icon again and select the right option. Here, you can type in a description for your introduction text. I will type in something like write an introduction based on F1 cars. This will be added right before the image. So as you can see, it's being generated right away. Go through the text, and if you like it, just click on Insert. But if you don't like it, click on Try Again. And as you can see, the new text has been generated. This way, check it out and insert it if you like it. And once you're satisfied, let's move on to the next section. So scroll down, and over here on the heading section, you can add additional sections for your ebook. Or you can go over to the left panel and select a different chapter to start writing that chapter. So for the chapter 1, let's click on the plus icon. Then select click and click on write. After that, describe your first chapter for your ebook for a kid to start writing. You can go ahead and type in something from your own, or you can use the structure generated by Kip. If you don't have a clear idea, go ahead and go back to the notes section on the left panel. Here from the outline section, let's go ahead and select this one. Now, copy it and go back to the chapter section. After that, click on the plus icon over here and select Kip. Now, paste the text that you copied right here. After that, just press enter and Dibbly will start creating your text. Sometimes it may take a little while and other times it's pretty fast. And as you can see, this section for the first chapter has been added. Now, just go through the text, and if you want to edit a certain part, just select it and use all of these tools to edit it according to your preference. You can set the styling from these options. You also have these basic options like bold, italic, and underline. Then you have code block, text editor, color picker, etc. So if you want to change the color, select your desired color and it will be changed. After that, you can also add a link to your text. You also have these additional options that you can utilize. So check them out and use whichever one you want. You can also align your text by using this option on the right. As an example, I will select Justify Align. This way, you can format your ebook easily. Now, let's move on to the next chapter. If you want to rename it, just click on the three dots over here. You have options like rename, convert to note, or delete. So let's click on the three dots over here and click on delete. So you can select yes delete if you want to confirm. And after a while, you will notice that the chapter has been deleted from Dibbly. Now, let's go to the top right corner and click on these three dots. You can see options like project settings, real-time chat, and more. You can also delete it from here. If you click on share, you'll be able to share this project with someone else that you're working with. So just fill in the details over here. You can add their email address or send them a link. So let's put in an email, and you can click on this invite button and they will receive an invitation in their email. Now, let's click on the three dots again. Here, you can click on Export, and after that, you will get a preview of your ebook. Then, you need to set the settings on the left. And before that, check out your entire book on the preview over here. So once you're done with this part, just go over to the left panel and start off by setting up the file name. Then select the file format and page size. After that, go through all of these options and set them up according to your preference. Dibbly gives you a lot of flexibility to choose your formatting. And as you can see, you have options like section headings, then section body text. Go through these options and set them up according to your preference. You can make these changes however you like. And once you're done with the formatting of your ebook, just go ahead and give it a last check. And once done, just click on Export on the bottom right corner. And as you can see, our ebook has been downloaded onto our PC. This way, you can easily create your own ebook using Dibbly. And that is exactly how to make ebook with AI.